The first step is to turn off the airbag system. We're replacing the heat blower Clio 3 2009. And now we proceed to remove this plastic trim. I'm using a flathead tool to access to the screws that are in the back. With a Torx tool, we're going to remove these 3 screws that we're looking right now in the video. Now I'm going to remove the 4th screw that is behind this panel. In order to do this, we remove this panel gently with a flathead. Be careful that the plastic it might break easily. And now we are removing the 4th screw. The last screw is inside the glove compartment in the middle, as we can see in the video. After all the screws are removed, we're basically ready to remove the whole housing. Here in the bottom is where is located the heater blower that we're going to proceed to remove. The first step, with the flathead, we can unlock the electrical connector. In order to unlock the heater blower, we need to pry this plastic tab and turn at the same time the heater blower. This part, it was very difficult to try to remove the heater blower. So at the end, I highly recommend that you bend this metal tab as much as you can. So this will help tremendously to make the work easier to remove the heater blower. Now we're proceeding to install the new heater blower. We reconnect the connector and we put it back. This aftermarket heat blower, it was a little bit hard to install because the plastic is not perfectly fitting, so this quite takes some time if your heater blower is aftermarket and not the original. Now I'm testing before installing everything back. Everything is working perfectly, so now I can install all the plastic back. Don't forget to bend the metal back and everything will fit perfectly. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.